All right, today I want to take you somewhere different. We're going to step into a world of shimmering neon lights and massive chrome cities. And there, you'll get to meet two really powerful AI concepts brought to life so we can finally understand the big difference between chains and agents in LangChain. So just relax, let this story do all the heavy lifting for you. We're going to make a pretty complex topic, well, unforgettable. I want you to imagine this, a future where huge AI minds run entire city districts, and people, well, they work hand in hand with their digital partners every single day. So yeah, we're going to skip all the dry, technical stuff. Instead, we're going to explore this really important idea in a way that's actually going to stick with you, I promise. So let's set the scene. The year is 2095. We're in a floating city called Neon Haven, and high above the planet, that's where we meet our main character, a young coder named Darian. And this guy, he's brilliant, truly, but he is just completely overwhelmed. You see, Darian works at the Central Systems Hub. I mean, this is the very heart of Neon Haven, the thing that keeps the whole city running. And every single day, it's just an avalanche of data, an endless list of tasks. He's drowning in it. He can't keep up. So one night, he gets another one of these impossible assignments. He just slumps down in his chair and whispers to absolutely no one, "I can't handle this alone. I need help." And right then, in that moment of just total desperation, something incredible is about to happen. Out of nowhere, the lights in his room start to flicker. There's this low hum in the air. And then this shimmering blue portal just materializes right in front of him. And walking out of it, two figures. The first one, he's this tall, calm figure, looks like he's made of glowing circuits. And his voice is so deep, so steady. He just says, "I am Chain. I follow fixed steps. You give me the instructions and I will complete them perfectly." But the second figure, well, they're different. They're glowing brighter, their form is kind of shifting, and their voice has this energy to it. They say, "My power is freedom. I'm agent. I'm the one who decides what steps to take." You can just feel it, right? Where Chain is rigid and precise, agent is like pure energy, adaptive, curious, totally independent. And right there, Darian starts to get it. It's like Chain is a recipe book, right? You give it the exact steps and you get a perfect result every single time. Predictable, precise. But agent is more like an explorer. You don't give agent a map, you just give it a destination, a goal, and it figures out how to get there all on its own. Now, Darian's starting to feel this spark of hope, but he's still wondering, okay, when do I use which one? Well, he was about to find out, because at that exact moment, the entire city of Neon Haven plunged into chaos. I mean, imagine it. One second, the streets are vibrant with neon. The next, complete darkness. Holograms are glitching, fizzling out. And the sky transports, with thousands of people inside, they just freeze, dead in their tracks, hanging in the air. The city just stopped. Alarms are blaring everywhere. Giant red holographic warnings are flashing on every single building. The entire East Sector's grid, it's collapsing. It's the worst case scenario. Darian is in full-on panic mode, and Chain, calm as ever, steps forward and says, "Darian, give me the steps to follow." But Darian just shakes his head, desperate. He's yelling, "I don't know the steps. I don't even know what's causing this." And this was Agent's moment to shine. They move closer, and their voice just cuts through the panic. "Then let me help. Just tell me the goal." And Darian, he takes this deep breath, centers himself, and gives the only instruction he can think of. Restore the East Sector. And wow, Agent just dives into the city's digital network like a bolt of lightning. It's scanning logs, running diagnostics, picking out the right tools from the city's arsenal, all by itself. It figures out what happened. A massive power surge knocked the cooling systems offline. It reasons out a plan, and then it acts. Just like that, Agent is restarting the cooling fans, rerouting power from stable sectors, stabilizing the main transformers, and then the lights of Neon Haven flicker back to life. One by one, they start glowing, maybe even brighter than before. The crisis was over. Okay, so the city is safe. Huge relief. But Darian's job isn't over yet. He's got to write up this super detailed recovery report for the city council. And this time, Agent Arson actually pipes up and says, "Look, I could help with this, but honestly, this is a perfect job for Chain." And Darian gets it. He now knows exactly what to do. He lays out a super precise, step-by-step list of instructions for Chain. And Chain, well, Chain just executes it. Perfectly. No questions asked, no deviations. The final report? Absolutely flawless. And in that moment, you could just see the light bulb go off over Darian's head. Everything clicked. He finally, truly understood. Agent is for when you don't know the path. Chain is for when you do. They aren't rivals, they're partners. You need both. So Darian's story isn't just a cool cyberpunk tale, right? It teaches us this really vital lesson about how we should think about these AI tools. So let's just break down that big aha moment he had. Okay, so let's talk about chains. Think of them as your specialists. They are all about following clear steps. Super reliable, super predictable, and absolutely perfect when you know exactly what you need to do. You've got the plan and the chain performs the plan. And then you've got agents. These are your explorers. They're the ones who think for themselves. They look at a problem, they decide on a strategy, and they figure things out when you don't know the steps. See the difference? An agent doesn't just perform the plan, an agent finds the plan. So, what's the moral of our story? It's actually really simple. Use chains when the path is clear. Use agents when the path is a complete mystery. That's it. It can feel like this stuff is super complex, but just remember that simple rule. They aren't competing with each other, they're teammates. And once you know when to call on each one, well, there's really nothing you can't build.